Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Budding Academy. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to discuss important current affairs from the month of October, and also you can download the slides in PDF format from the description box, and link is given in the description box below. So I hope you guys will be benefited from this video. Let's begin the session. So the first topic is India defeats Bangladesh to win 7th Asia Cup title. Then next is Indian Railways partners with Google to launch Rail Heritage Digitization project. Then Yuvraj Wadwani leaves Asian Junior Squash title. Then Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Parakram Parv exhibition in Jodhpur. Next is Assam, first state to launch wage compensation scheme for pregnant women in tea gardens. Then moving to the next, Nobel Prize in Physics 2018 goes to Arthur Askin, Gerard Mourou and Donna Strickland. Then Nobel Prize in Chemistry goes to Frances Arnold, George Smith and Greg Winter. Then National Khadi Festival 2018 held in Mumbai. Next is Nobel Prize in Peace 2018 goes to Denis Mukwege and Nadia Murad. Then India's first global silk park will be set up in Madhya Pradesh. Next is PM Modi receives United Nations Champions of the Earth Award. Then Haryana was ranked as the best state in Swachh Survekshan Gramin Awards 2018. Then India's first methanol cooking fuel program launched in Assam. Then Maharashtra launches website and app Mahamadat to analyze drought situation. Then next is Lewis Hamilton won the Japanese Formula 1 Grand Prix. Then next is Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences 2018 goes to Paul Romer and William Nordhaus. Then Sharat Kumar won gold in men's high jump in Asia Para Games. Next, Rahul Awade was awarded the best sportsperson of the year by SJAM, and full form is Sports Journalist Association of Mumbai. Then Bishan Singh Bedi, the former Indian captain, was honored with the Dr. M.A. Chidambaram Birth Centenary Award. Then next is first India-Israel Innovation Center opens in Bengaluru. So the next is India ranks 115th in World Bank's Human Capital Index. Then India ranks 147th in Oxfam World Inequality Index 2018. Then scientists from California Institute of Technology have developed world's fastest camera teacup. So the next is Prema Gopalan won Social Entrepreneur of the Year Award 2018. Then New Delhi to host 6th India International Silk Fair. Then next is Kamal Hassan launched a safety app named Rodram. Next, Uttar Pradesh Cabinet approves renaming of Allahabad to Prayagraj. Then, Union Government announces Rs 100 crore award for states completing household electrification. Then, 12th Asia-Europe Meeting Summit begins in Brussels. Then, Anna Barnes won Man Booker Prize for Fiction of Milkman. Next is India ranked 58th most competitive economy in World Economic Forum Index. Then Arshdeep Singh won the Wildlife Photographer of the Year award in junior category. Then Suhail F. Tandon won International Olympic Committee IOC award. The next is Kerala, the first smoke-free state to have 100% LPG. Then Wildlife Photographer of the Year 2018 bagged by Marcel van Osten. The next is Peju Square to receive Carnot Prize for rail electrification effort. So the next is, and this is the last from this video, the Inland Waterways Authority of India has launched a roll-on-roll of service in Assam from Niyamati to Majuli Island via Tezpur. So that's all for today. And if you liked the video, please hit the like button and give your suggestion in the comment box. And who watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. And also share the videos with your friends.